ASV, suppliers of the Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters. Choosing a brush cutter for your rubber track loader or skid steer is an important business decision for efficiency and money-making productivity. You want to make that selection based on what you'll be cutting, the terrain, desired end results, and ultimately the cost per acre cleared. The Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters are hard to beat when you're doing roadside, right-of-way, fire tracks, sight lines and other vegetation clearing, or for when you just need to knock it down. So whether you're cleaning up tracks, preparing sites for construction projects, providing fire control, clearing orchards, lease reclamations or fence line maintenance, by combining a Posi-Track or skid steer with 31 to 40 GPM, the Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutter, you have made the best choice with efficient, low cost per acre clearing. This heavy-duty mower is fast cutting, easily mounted and low maintenance. All Davco attachments are user-friendly with a short operator learning period. Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters are engineered, designed and built to be the leader in industrial strength and quality, achieving low operating cost with low maintenance. The Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutter uses tremendous flywheel inertia, generating torque, and does not require a high RPM to give its optimum cutting speed. This design enables the owner to compete with much larger horsepowered machines. Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters are a true direct drive. This means no pulleys, no belts, no right angle drives, etc., and that also keeps the cost to operate and maintain down. Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters design spreads the weight out for better flotation for soft ground and for climbing hills, and is as wide as the machine so the tracks are better protected. Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters use high-strength steel alloy blades 5/8 of an inch thick that can be resharpened or turned over for extended use, which is like getting two blades for the price of one. Changing the Davco blades is reasonably quick using the easy-to-read manual specifications, and you're back working again at peak efficiency. Wear items are also minimal, only 4 blades, 4 pucks and 1 bolt kit. Satisfied customers with the Davco Industrial Strength Rotary Brush Cutters and drum-style heads have said they choose to use the Davco because it's faster and more economical to run. If you're serious about making a living from cutting brush, shrubs and trees, and you require lower operating and maintenance costs, then your choice is clear: Davco.